Not a SVI, it's a considerable. Observe. Yeah, it's a considerable SVR.
Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding.
Okay.
Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New
I forgot to
Jersey,
turn this off.
County in northwestern New Jersey, Eastern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, Somerset County, northeastern Middlesex County,
55 miles per hour.
At 7:37 miles per
hour.
Yeah, it's a considerable SVR.
Moving east at 55 miles per hour.
Damage.
Hazard 70 miles per hour wind gusts.
Roof.
Source radar indicated.
Locations
Impact.
impacted include
Expect considerable tree damage. Correct.
New Brunswick. Tom WXM60.
Middlesex, Florham Park, East Hanover, Lincoln Park, Mango. This includes the following highways: New Jersey Turnpike between exits 10 and 13. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 11 and 42. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 11 and 47. Interstate 287 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and
125 and
Garden State
134.
Parkway between mile markers
For your
125
protection, move to an interior room on the
134.
lowest floor of a
For your
building.
protection, move to an
This
interior
is
room on the lowest floor of the building.
Extremely dangerous.
This is an
These storms
extremely
are
dangerous
producing
situation.
widespread wind damage
These
across
storms
eastern
are producing
Pennsylvania.
widespread
Let's go.
wind damage across
Sail.
eastern
Now,
Pennsylvania.
inside a sturdy structure and
Shelter
stay away
now
from
inside a
windows.
sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
We need to wait for our FFW to come up.
South Central Morris County, Somerset County, North Central Middlesex County, North Central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 8:15 p.m. At 7:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Arena, or 16 miles southeast of Easton, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard 60 miles per hour wind gusts and
Dude, this is
quarter-size hail.
crazy already.